In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove the agitator out of your washer. So we're going to remove a dual-stage agitator at this point. So to remove our agitator, we're just going to first get our fabric dispenser out of the way. It just pulls straight up and out. Now because this one is a dual-stage agitator, there is a cap over the agitator assembly. And we're just going to pop right out. And you can see it has an O-ring on it that you just want to check and make sure it's in good condition, that it's not cracked or split or missing altogether. So with that cap out of the way, we can see our agitator bolt. So we're just going to take our ratchet wrench and 7/16 inch socket and loosen that. And now we can lift the whole assembly right out of the washer.